EaseUS Data Recovery Review. Does it really work? So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be doing a review on EaseUS. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there'll be a special link in the description below in where you'll get special discounts right here if you're planning to buy the plans right here from EaseUS. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So according to Trustpilot right here, EaseUS has a 4.8 star rating out of 5. So it has 30,000 reviews right here. So that's pretty much a good ratio right here for good reviews. So these are the reviews right here. So first is we have one from Shirley. So it says very helpful and friendly customer service. I contacted the customer service with a few questions regarding the purchase of a pro version of a program to recover lost data, of which I was currently using the free version. Quinn was very helpful, friendly, and wasn't pushing me to buy the program. I was already thinking about buying the program. I just need a few questions answered. Well done. So next we have this one right here. I've been using EaseUS for a few years now, and this is the first time I've had to enlist the help of the tech support team, which was Richard. So he was very efficient and quickly gave me the correct information to allow me to reset my program for continued use. Very happy with the service I received from the entire EaseUS team. Next we have another one right here. So I recently experienced a hard drive failure and had to reinstall my operating system, which required me to request the reactivation of my license key. Within just one day, the support team responded promptly and confirmed that the key had been reset. However, I still encountered activation issues and reached out again. This time, the responses was even better. The representative was extremely friendly and patient, guiding me through each step until the problem was fully resolved. I truly appreciate how they didn't rush me and ensured everything worked perfectly in the end. So yeah, so these are the reviews right here from EaseUS. So as you can see, the EaseUS has a lot of great reviews, 4.8 star out of 5 star reviews right here in Trustpilot. So yeah, and then these are the plans right here from EaseUS. So again, if you want to have special discounts right here for these plans, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So EaseUS has 3 plans right here. So we have the 1-month license plan, the 1-year license, and the lifetime license. So for the 1-month license, so this one's 1 license for 1 computer, 1 month free upgrades, and free remote assistance. So this one will cost around $69.95 a month. And the next is we have a 1-year license, which is a one-time fee. So 1 license for 1 computer, 1 year of free upgrades, and free remote assistance. So this one will cost around $99.95. And the next is we have the lifetime license. So this one will cost you around $149.95. So in here you'll get 1 license for 1 computer, lifetime free upgrades, and premium technical support. So yeah, so if you want to get special discounts for these licenses right here, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it, the review right here for EaseUS regarding data recovery. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.